In this video, we will demonstrate how to make a new video that others can use in the easy mode. Click on the Create button. An easy video is one where the background can be easily switched. As in all videos, all material for the video needs to have been previously uploaded. You use the tags to find the material. We're looking for the communication tag. By typing in the first 4 letters and a space, we search for all the material that begins with COMM. We click on the background that we want to load. We load any number of sounds, animations, images, or videos that will be used in the production of this video. In this video, we are only going to use a mathematically defined sprite. After everything is loaded, we click Edit to begin building the video. The controls in this section are ordered as though you were reading a book. You start in the upper left and go across line by line. The first thing is to set the times of the scenes. We only have one scene, which are still being called a frame in these controls, but we only have one scene in this video. The only animations in this video are scale and move. We will start by scaling the sprite. We will start with a small sprite and scale to 3 times its size. Since the sprite is SVG or mathematics, the sprite looks great across the scaling. In this animation, the first step is to center the sprite. Next, we set the end scale. The beginning and ending show the sprite in both the begin and end of the scale. As the sprite gets larger, it moves to the right and down because the sprite has some dead space in the upper left-hand corner. So we simply drag the sprite to its ending position. In this animation, we want the sprite to be begin and end centered. When we go back to the beginning position, we want to remember where it was, because we will have to move the sprite to that position so the sprite stays centered while it is scaled. We need to remember the position for later. In this case, we should hit the guy a little right of his kneecap with the top of the eye. Then we are done scaling. Since the sprite has dead space, to keep the sprite in the center as it is scaled, it will need to be moved while it is scaled. To do this, we center the sprite. Then click the Move button. Then drag the sprite to its final position. Remember, the top of the eye needs to hit a little right of the guy's kneecap. Then we finish the move by toggling the Move button off. We are ready to run the animation to see how it looks. It looks great, so let's click the download to save the animation and video. Then we want to put in tags so other users will be able to find it. By sharing it, we make affiliated fees when other users use our material to create new custom videos. Then we set it to the easy mode. That will allow other users to use the same sprite, which is Flixtion in this case, while changing the background. Of course, they can still edit in the standard mode as well. We finish by clicking Continue. Approve the cost. In this case, it will cost 46 credits and 0 cents. You get a notice of the name of the new video, but remember, other users will use tags to find it. After the video is made, you click on the thumbnail to play it. When the video is playing, click Download to get a copy of the video that you are free to upload to other sites. Thanks for your interest in Flixtion.